Peace was disrupted and public services came to a standstill in major cities of France as protesters took to the streets over Emmanuel Macron's government's decision to raise the retirement age. The government wants to raise the retirement age of people from 62 to 64 in 2030, reasoning that it is the only way to preserve France's pension system without raising taxes or increasing the country's debt. As teachers, railway staff, health and oil workers joined the protests, making it uncontrollable, schools, nurseries and railway services were forced to shut down. Though the majority of demonstrations were peaceful, some protesters threw projectiles at police officials, which resulted in tear gas being opened on the protesters. In fact, the employees in the electricity sector have also dropped the country's power generation by 7,000 megawatts as a part of the protest. This resulted in countries seeking electricity supply from its neighbors. Among all the European countries, France's retirement age is the lowest. Unions have condemned this plan by saying that an increase in the retirement age would penalize people who started working at a young age.